Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about TreeAMS issues. TreeAMS issues streamline auto problem solving by letting staff log an issue that is instantly routed to the site's designated point person. That assignee receives an automatic alert and can flag the ticket as resolved or on hold, while the originator watches progress in real time. If the fix doesn't stick, the raiser can reopen the ticket. Otherwise, they simply close it once the problem is truly sorted. So there will be all these two persons involved. The first one will be the issue raiser, and the second one will be the assignee. This assignee will be the default assignee that you will configure when you set up the network structure. To note that the default assignee, if the default assignee is the same person across the hierarchy, you can just set the person in the company level and all the units below it will follow. There are these following four statuses in the issue tracker: open, resolved, on hold, and closed. Now let's take a look at the live side. On the left hand side, I have the staff. On the right hand side, I have the audit manager that will receive the issue. So as an audit staff, I will go and raise an issue, perhaps saying that the freezer is broken. I can select the issue type as an electric equipment, and I can say that this is a priority and urgent situation. I select the location. If I belong to only one location, then the drop-down will only give me one location. I can then add the picture, and I can submit. Once I hit the submit button and I refresh the audit manager's view, then he will start to receive my issue. So freezer is broken. Then in here I can see that, oh, this is the picture. Then after I go in, I call the maintenance and I've done all these things externally. I can then say that, okay, this issue has already been resolved. Then I can put in my comment in here saying that, okay, it's been resolved. Please check for the next 2-3 days. Then I can put a proof, perhaps the uh, and click on save. So once this has been saved, as I refresh the stuffs, then I can see that it is resolved. I can still say that whether it is okay, I can close it, or I can still reopen it. And if I go through that journey and I say that I reopen it, I will say that it's not okay. Let's check. Then I save it. Then from this point of view, you will see that it is back open. As a audit manager, I can see the history and record of the activity. I can also read the comment in here. After several fix, I can then say that it has now been resolved. And from this point of view, I'll then see that it's resolved and I can close this issue. So if this is closed, it will not reappear in the audit manager's dashboard unless I remove the filter. But from the, and the same thing goes in here. But if this issue persists to keep on opening, like happening, I can either reopen or I can create a new ticket for the future. Okay, that's all for the issue tracker. Thank you.